Yeah, that's it. Hey, my name is Isis.
I'm Cynthia.
Lynn.
Wendell.
And this is well, about 3 years ago now, and I was on the med school track applying to med schools, and I was raising money to send in my applications. I was working in Gainesville at the time. I was raising money to send in my applications. I set up under a tent with a small 20-inch grill, and here we are 3 years later.
Oh, this is going to be seriously done.
We do like a Japanese style hibachi stir fry, so we'll have like the fried rice, the lo mein, the stir fried veggies, we do sweet carrots, and then our entrees are chicken, steak, and shrimp. But with the new trailer, we will have a new menu rolling out, so y'all look out for that too. Hey, it was just a feeling, like I love to do it, and my passion just kind of been driving me this whole time. I don't know, I love to do it, like I can't really explain one thing in particular, but I'm happy. My experience with One Fat Frog has been great. Tony was really great. We were texting back and forth. She kept me up to date on everything and the step by step of what was going to happen, and it turned out better than I expected.
How you feeling?
Oh, y'all got me crying, man. If I was going to give any advice to anyone who wanted to start a food truck business, I would just say don't give up. You're going to go through the most. You're going to experience everything, and like every day to day is just up and down. You never really know what you're going to come up against. You can go in with your plan. You can go in with all your T's crossed, your I's dotted, but just be ready for whatever you experience. Just get back up and try again, because it's a new day, it's new people, new customers. And you know, once you get that reputation out there, you really work hard and day by day put that work in, it'll definitely turn around. As y'all see, we're here now. So.